So, your impressions before the film starts?
Really excited, and I have no idea what to expect. I haven't seen the final or anything like that. So. Can I sit down now?
Auntie? So your daughter is part of the film. What are your impressions?
I'm very emotional.
Rosh, any comments before the film starts?
Think about it.
Come on.
I'm looking forward to it. I'm proud of it. I'm actually very proud of it.
This is your son's debut into movie making. What are your impressions?
My impressions are that this is something at which he's very good at. When he was a child, he started making amateur movies. I remember a film called Shropshire, which he created out of nothing. So he has a tremendous sort of talent for making films. It's expensive doing so. I mean, he's done it on a shoestring budget. But I'm very proud, very excited, and I really feel that it is the beginning of a genre in Pakistan, which hasn't happened before.
Rubia?
Look at me, I'm scared. I'm getting very excited.
Please welcome on the stage Mr. Omar Khan. He'd just like to say a few words before we premiere his movie, Zeba Khan.
I've got to thank you all for being here, first of all. I'm thrilled to bits to see that all of you have turned out in such huge numbers. It's very exciting. This is the first time we're going to watch this movie in Pakistan. None of the cast have hardly seen it either. Literally, you're the first people who get to see it. For those of you expecting something slick like Chris from Bollywood, you're going to be so disappointed. You put out all your hair, nothing will be left. And for those of you expecting something thought-provoking like from Iran, likewise, this is not your cup of tea at all. Let me warn you, some of you are going to hate this movie, but that's exactly what I want. What I don't want is people to come and say, that was a nice movie. Because I don't believe it's a nice movie. I should bore you no more. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I give you Zeba Khan.
Hello and welcome to ARC Shorts. I'm with the complete cast, or well, almost complete cast of the new Pakistan's actually first blood gore movie, yeah?
Yes.
Proper horror film. So, what were you playing in it?
I was playing a character, Roxy. I shot.
Simon. OJ.
It was amazing. We loved the gore. Cinematography was really, really good. It was really good. And in the first Pakistani movie, it was really good.
Tell me about this movie, your whole experience, you know, what you guys went through, everything.
I think it was really entertaining, the entire process. There were long, tiresome, gruesome hours that we had to spend, and we spent time, actually if you've seen the film, half of the time was in a van which was not air conditioned in the middle of summers.
And did you see no?
Yeah, and
no, as in all the
I painted to quote, yes.
Yeah, and I was laughing at him when he painted.
She thought it was a joke.
Comedy part इसमें काफी रहा है. It should be like Scary Movie 5.
Who else saw the movie? इनसे भी पूछते हैं.
ठीक लगी है.
Usman,
उमर,
Adil,
मुज्तबा,
Hassan, Nabil.
It was very interesting actually.
अच्छी मूवी थी. अगर बजट थोड़ा हाई होता, थोड़ा ज़्यादा कर लिया होता तो अच्छी मूवी बना सकते. बेसिक एक्सपेंडिचर जो मुझे नज़र आया वो एक वैन उन्हें हायर की हुई थी, बस और कुछ नहीं.
मेरे ख्याल में काफी अच्छी कॉमेडी मूवी थी.
How did the director get you guys to agree to do a film like that?
I think he didn't have to persuade us much. We were all really interested in doing this because it was Pakistan's first horror gore film. And
the concept, I mean, Pakistani movie as in shot in high definition cameras, and then a horror movie itself with that. That was just, how could you not be a part of that?
Tell me about Umar Khan, the director.
He is a perfectionist, and yet the way he handles situations is very, you're able to relate to it because he handles his thinking towards our mindset and everything, and it was very smooth running. There were no points where we were like, we're not really getting what our director is saying, or our director is not getting us or our point of view. He was very understanding, and I think it was a pleasure working with him, and I'd love to work with him again.
So, are you guys interested in making a film?
Oh, definitely. Like, once you've been bitten by the theatre of film bug, it stays within you. It's like now it's like a passion. Acting is a passion, and having seen Umar work so diligently and everything, one sort of hopes that one can do the same thing.
So who was the guy in the burqa? I'd like to know.
Sultan Billah.
Sultan Billah was by far one of the best people to work with. We had so much fun.
He is actually such a humble person, he's so together and always saying mashallah, aapki acting bahut achhi, and when he got on there, he was scary. I mean, I think we've created one of the most prominent and one of the most chilling villains of all time in Pakistan.
काफ़ी अर्से बाद कोई मैंने कॉमेडी मूवी देखी, हम सारे दोस्तों ने बहुत एंजॉय किया है, और पाकिस्तान में पहले भी कॉमेडी मूवीज़ काफ़ी बनती रही हैं लॉलीवुड में, मगर इसमें एक चेंज आया कल्चर में डिजिटल साउंड के साथ। अगर इस मूवी में साइमा होती तो शायद मज़ा और आता।
And not necessarily horror, but like other fields should also be explored.
They were still funny. The typical Pakistani comments, beta ye, beta वगैरह।
मतलब कि वही ये कह रहा हूँ कि इसमें एंडिंग इम्प्रूव होनी चाहिए।
जी, I haven't seen any Pakistani horror movie, but it's my first experience and I love it.
ताकि बिल्कुल एक डांस भी होता है जिसमें एक रोल अच्छा आ सकता है।
But it was funnier. I thought it was kind of comedy.
जी स्क्रिप्ट और स्टोरी लाइन और सारा कुछ बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, लेकिन कंसिडरिंग के लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज में अगर एक फिल्म उन्होंने बनाई है तो वी शुड अप्रिशिएट द एफर्ट। इट्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया टू होल्ड सच अ नाइस मूवी इन Lams, and the ambience was very good and the crowd was very energetic and very young. It's a great idea and keep it up.
here. I don't want to go in there. Let some people come out.
Holy shit! Get rid of this maniac! I love this one!
मजनू मजनू लैला नया मजनू
I'm just a guy who's running an ice cream shop, who's got this movie which I think that has got lots of potential. A lot of kids want to see it. It's completely off the wall and different to what they're used to. It's made for people exactly like these, but how do we get it out there? This is what we're working on now.
So this is the zombie land.
Part of it. I'm going to show you exactly where Zombieland was. I remember the midget zombie comes through there somewhere, you know, falling through there. And then we had them 2 by 2, 3 by 3. As they got more and more got ready, we were able to do groups things. And I remember we shot one on this road where the cars are now, where they all come out from different directions and all come onto the road and then come forward towards the camera, because that was a really great shot. It was a spectacular day's work that day. We were all quite excited. I was itching to see what we had shot. The zombies looked fantastic. One by one they came to me and said that you're mad and that we've never done anything like this. And I took